This is not simply a house. It is an estate of architectural and historical significance, believed to date from the late 17th to early 18th century, later enhanced during the Georgian era. Over the past 2 decades, it has been meticulously restored, blending classical grandeur with the warmth and practicality demanded by modern family life. Welcome to the Old Rectory, an exceptional Grade 2 star-listed Georgian estate in one of Cornwall's most treasured coastal settings. Just moments from the gentle waters of St Just Creek and the celebrated harbour of St Mawes, this is a home that captures the romance, heritage and lifestyle of Cornwall at its very finest. From the moment you step inside the reception hall, the craftsmanship is evident. Handcrafted fireplaces, reinstated sash windows, bespoke joinery, and carefully restored cornicing all speak to the integrity of the renovation. The principal residence extends to just under 5,000 square feet, arranged over 4 floors, offering 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Upstairs, 4 beautifully appointed bedroom suites occupy the first floor, each with bespoke detailing and views across the gardens. The second floor provides 2 further double bedrooms and a family bathroom, offering flexibility for family and guests alike. The drawing room and dining room are beautifully proportioned, retaining their Georgian elegance. Classic detailing has been thoughtfully reinterpreted, ensuring that these rooms feel welcoming rather than formal. At the heart of the home, the orangery and kitchen form a light-filled, triple-aspect family space. Designed for modern living with direct access to the terrace, this is where mornings begin and long summer evenings unfold. The orangery, built in 2002, offers a year-round vantage point in which to enjoy the shifting Cornish light. Beyond the principal house, the estate continues to impress. The former cart shed and stables have been transformed into the coach house, a stylish 2-bedroom annex with its own walled garden, balcony and delightful Victorian-style courtyard. With 2 reception rooms, 2 bathrooms and a dressing room, it is ideal for guests, extended family, or even as an independent income opportunity. Across the courtyard, Rectory Cottage offers a further self-contained residence. Believed to have formed part of the original rectory, it now provides 3 bedrooms, open-plan living and its own landscaped garden and parking courtyard. The flexibility is exceptional, perfectly suited to multi-generational living. The estate's outbuildings include a substantial garage and workshop, a lower ground garden room and potting shed with electricity, and additional storage, all thoughtfully designed to complement the architectural character of the house. The gardens are quite simply world-class. Designed by the award-winning landscape architect Bunny Guinness, They unfold as a series of enchanting garden rooms, each with its own identity and perspective. The Old Rectory offers more than elegant accommodation. It offers a lifestyle defined by coastal walks, sailing from nearby moorings, garden gatherings that linger into the evening, and the quiet reassurance of owning a piece of Cornish history. Some homes simply belong to their landscape. For those seeking a distinguished residence in one of Cornwall's most prestigious creekside locations, this is an opportunity of genuine rarity. I would be delighted to show you around the Old Rectory in person.